Aware ka ba na ang Palawan ay ang may pinakamataas na kaso ng teenage pregnancy sa buong Manila?
Yes, I am.
At sa isa sa mga bayan ay ang Batarasa. No? So, bilang isang kabataan, paano ka makakatulong sa pagbaba ng kaso ng teenage pregnancy sa bayan ng Batarasa?
Good evening, and thank you for the question. Well, I believe that the teenage pregnancy issue is not new to the community. I believe I can help the community of Batarasa to listen the ratings of teenage pregnancy is to spread awareness about educating ourselves. If we are knowledgeable enough to do such things that we still cannot provide for ourselves, especially for the youth, if we know to ourselves that we are still youth and we really cannot provide for our wants, how can that we can add one to ourselves? I believe by educating ourselves, we are not just saving one individual, we are saving a lot of individuals. I believe that teenage pregnancy is an issue that should be added to the government problem. I believe as an individual, as